Let's talk about a fantastic topic that directly tackles the biggest illusion in home plumbing, the quick fix. When your sink is slow, it is so easy to walk into the hardware aisle, see that brightly colored bottle with aggressive marketing, and trust that it will solve your problem. But we need to look past the marketing and understand the physical reality of what those chemicals are actually doing behind your walls. Today, we are breaking down the science of why these cleaners are so incredibly destructive. The science, why they are violent, not gentle. First, let's get the facts straight. Liquid drain cleaners are not a gentle solvent. They do not slowly dissolve the hair and soap scum. Instead, they rely on violent chemical reactions to break down blockages. Point 1. The exothermic reaction. Here is how that works. Most conventional drain cleaners use highly caustic chemicals. We're talking about sodium hydroxide, also known as lye, or sulfuric acid. When these extremely reactive chemicals meet the water in your pipe and the clog itself, whether that's hair, grease, or soap scum, they generate intense heat. The scientific term for this is an exothermic reaction. Point 2. Melting PVC, modern plumbing. Now, here is where the science hits reality. In almost all modern homes, the standard pipes and the critical P-trap assembly directly under your sink are made of PVC, which is a type of plastic. The extreme localized heat generated by that exothermic chemical reaction, sometimes reaching temperatures of over 200 degrees, does not care that it's in a plastic pipe. That heat can actually warp, soften, or completely melt PVC pipes and the weak points where their joints are glued. You aren't just clearing a clog. You are potentially setting yourself up for a catastrophic water leak inside your cabinet walls. Point 3. Corroding older metals. What if you have an older home? Older homes often have cast iron or galvanized steel pipes. Those don't melt, but you are still pouring concentrated acid or lye down the drain. These chemicals don't just stop at eating the clog. They eat the metal too. If that chemical cleaner fails to clear the clog, which it often does, it just sits right there in the pipe, slowly and deliberately, burning a hole right through the metal walls of your plumbing. Point 4. The plumber's nightmare. Finally, this is the reality check that homeowners rarely consider. If you use one of these harsh chemicals and it does not work, you have now created what plumbers call a total nightmare. You are now left with a sink bowl completely full of standing, highly toxic, burning acid. When a professional eventually has to come open that pipe to fix the real problem, they are risking severe chemical burns to their skin and eyes. You are making the job more dangerous and much more expensive to repair. So think twice before using these products, and let us know in the comment area if you have had good or bad luck using chemicals to clear clogged drain pipes. Because I never have, and thanks for watching and see you next time.